Hey guys, what is up today? It's Naveen, also known as the Casual Coder, and yeah, I'm recording another video. It's been a while, as usual. I've always said that for a lot of these videos, but yeah, in today's video, basically, I'll be showing off a purchase I made. It's not going to be a monthly pickup. I'm going to start to get back into that, and as you can, I'll probably explain over the course of the following videos, like where I've been, what I'm doing now. But I guess the short summary is that I recently finished up a summer internship at ANZ as a data developer, and now I am working at Xero as a graduate software developer. So I guess that's basically where I've been. In terms of the markets have been pretty dog shit. So I'll talk about that as well in another video. But yeah, in today's video, as you can see, but from the film work or the B-roll preceding this, I picked up some off-white sunglasses. So as you can see, I look like a total douchebag now. But yeah, so I guess the reason why I bought these in the first place is that I don't know, I didn't really own sunglasses prior. I had like a few cheap pairs, but I was never really a big fan of wearing sunglasses in the first place. I guess from, in a sense, reason why is just I think they just kind of make you look, at least from my perspective or my opinion, when I saw people I knew wearing sunglasses, it just came out kind of weird, kind of douchebaggy in a way. And you know, it's like the Batman quote, or like the Harvey Dent quote: "You either die a hero or you live long enough to see yourself become the villain."
Give up his power.
Okay, fine. You either die a hero or you live long enough to see yourself become the villain.
And basically that's what happened for me. I just saw these, like the style, been meaning to wear sunglasses because, you know, they have many benefits in terms of protecting your eyes from the sun and your eyeballs from the sun. And so I ended up just seeing them and I was like, oh, you know, these seem pretty sick. Had a bit of money at the time. I had cashed out some decent positions relative before the crash, so I was like, might as well treat myself. So yeah, I think these are the Manchester. I'm not sure. I'll probably pull it up somewhere on overlaid over the top of my voice, but I think these are the Manchester ones. I bought them directly off the site, and they shipped within like 2 days DHL, and got here within under 10 days, I think. But yeah, they cost me like about $438, which is expensive, but relative to sunglasses, they can go anywhere from $200 to, I mean, a decent pair can go from $200 to at least $700 if you're like buying like Prada or like some other designer ones. So it wasn't the biggest, most expensive pair of sunglasses I could have bought, but still, they are very expensive. In terms of quality as well, I was pleasantly surprised. I was like, like after I bought them, I was like, oh shit, they're probably gonna be some cheap quality. but actually surprisingly, they're like, again, you can't really see, but the plastic is quite thick. They are plastic, unfortunately, but like they have very nice like the hinges. Oh, it's not focusing. Yeah, the hinges are quite solid, and there's not a lot of like wiggle, which is good. They're a little bit tight on my face, so I might try and see if I can get them loosened. But overall, the build quality is very good, and I'm actually like, yeah, pleasantly surprised. I thought there's just gonna be some cheap plastic sunglasses, but I'm definitely getting a bit more. You know, I can definitely see these being made in like a sweatshop for like $20, but I can definitely see there's a little bit more quality than your average sunglasses. And yeah, I guess in terms of just shade, they're just dark and everything. Still easy to see. Good for driving, and yeah, that's about it. Again, like this was probably like one of the few purchases I made in between now and the last time I posted. Hence why I didn't really want to do a monthly pickups video. But yeah, I'll definitely get back into making them. So yeah, and I think that's about it. Again, it's been a while. Sorry for the delay on the videos. A lot more videos are coming out soon. I also made a TikTok, so I'll link that as well. Have an overlay of that. So I'll start posting a little bit of my musings, a bit of my thoughts. You know, get onto there. I've definitely been following people on TikTok, but I just haven't posted that many videos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.